You can see this is a very ceremonial carrying case. You haven't seen such phone packaging before, right?
Here we have OnePlus and Genshin Impact, and on the top, a side silhouette of Kamisato Ayaka. Let's go ahead and flip the box over. Look here, this is the emblem of the Taoist artifact, and over here, it's printed OnePlus 6T Genshin Impact Kamisato Ayaka Custom Edition. So now, let's just pull it up. This is a quick release opening here. Wow!
Look at this beautiful weather. Where should we go for a walk? This is a theme poster for the White Deer chapter. Let's take out the phone. Look, the packaging box also has this texture. First, let's peel off the phone's film. Everyone, take a close look. The packaging also has Kamisato Ayaka's side silhouette. How detailed. Wow, this color is called Snow Orchid, an exclusive shade. You can see the camera module, the back panel, and the side frame are all the same, maintaining high consistency. The back panel is glass. Look, there's Ayaka's icon here, and a folding fan. This is the frost bloom texture. Through light refraction, look, its texture changes a bit. See it? Even though I don't play Genshin, just looking at this back panel, I think OnePlus's customization is quite thoughtful. Custom icons you've all seen, and the custom color in settings matching the back panel, you've seen that too. Let's look at something different. Click the calendar. Kamisato Ayaka's birthday, September 28th. Haven't you seen that? Alright everyone, let me play her classic ringtone for you again.
Traveler, there's a call coming in. If it's about their observations from a country, perhaps they can share it with us.
Genshin players are thrilled, right? Now let's bring up the input method again.
As expected, the input method skin is custom designed. Do you see it? On the access card here, there's a custom card cover. Do you see it?
This is called the Genshin Impact Zone. The lock screen, oh, this custom-made wallpaper is dynamic. The icon's unlocked. Tada, I'll try charging it again. Oh wait, I haven't seen the charger yet. Hold on, let's keep looking under the box. And take it out. Do I recognize this at first glance? An acrylic standee. Let me put it together for you. It looks like this. See it, everyone? Let's keep going. What's this? A very small card pack. Try not to damage it. This should be a chibi stamp, right, everyone? And this should be a small badge, huh? This is a big one, with one printed on it. Kamisato Ayaka and the plushie. Let's check the quality. It's actually quite cute. So fluffy and nice. Let's keep going, guys. Let's open it up. Oh, a custom-made charging brick. It also has an icon on it. Do you see it? It's a 100-watt A port. And there's also a custom-made data cable. Look, this color perfectly matches the box and the phone. This, if I'm not mistaken, it must be a phone case. Oh, I think this phone case is really well done. Wow, this is nice. I think it's better than the poster. This is a stamp. This is a sticker. Wait, this is a card pin. Wow, this needs a close-up. Guys, this is the Wuchuji Huiguang custom SIM ejector pin, right? Would I really use this pin to eject a SIM? I think this has immense collectible value. Look, a letter for travelers. I won't show you, buy it to see. Finally, let's check out this phone case. Why does it still have a film? Oh, I get it. Once I peel it off, this versatile case can look like this. What do you think, friends? Does it look good? Everyone, score it. I didn't show you all just now the port, but this has a custom always on display, a phone that looks this beautiful. Pause, you just take it home to collect. If I want to use one, pause, I'll just buy another S6T. Okay, let's charge it. Alright, let's try it again. This is cool. For the ultimate final challenge now, let's take a look and see if OnePlus has added any animations for powering on and off. We'll just restart it directly. First, the OnePlus logo illuminates, and then what happens next? And then, oh, is that a folding fan? That particular fan, I definitely recognize it. Wow, pretty good. If I played Genshin more, it would be better. I could explain it in more detail. But I truly did my best. So this is the OnePlus 6T Kamisato Ayaka Genshin custom phone. What do you all think?